Before modern refrigerators, Americans had to get creative to keep their food from spoiling. They used ice houses, insulated buildings where huge blocks of ice were stored, often cut straight from frozen lakes during winter. That ice was packed with sawdust to stop it from melting, and believe it or not, it could last for months into summer. Many homes also had root cellars, underground storage rooms that stayed naturally cool and were perfect for vegetables, milk, and even meat. This method of natural refrigeration was low-tech but surprisingly effective. Communities even shared ice storage in small towns. So next time you open your fridge, remember, people once relied on nature, sawdust, and a lot of ice to keep their food fresh.